The City of Lights is home to some of the world's most iconic monuments and structures. From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre, Paris is full of iconic landmarks that continue to inspire and captivate visitors from all over the world. A great way to get an up-close and personal view of these monuments is to create a sequence featuring close-up shots of the architectural details. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most recognizable monuments in the world. Standing at 324 meters tall, it is the tallest structure in Paris and was the tallest in the world until 1930. A great way to capture the details of the tower is to take a close-up shot of the intricate iron lattice frame. The Louvre is one of the most visited museums in the world, and it is home to some of the world's most famous artworks. Its iconic glass pyramid entrance is a great subject for close-up shots. The pyramid is made up of 603 rhombus-shaped glass panes and is a great way to capture the details of the structure. The Arc de Triomphe is a monument located at the center of the Place Charles de Gaulle. It was commissioned by Napoleon in 1806 and is inscribed with the names of the generals who fought in his army. Close-up shots of the names inscribed on the monument are a great way to capture the details of the structure. The Notre Dame Cathedral is one of the most iconic monuments in Paris. It is a Gothic cathedral that was built in the 12th century and is home to some of the most beautiful stained glass windows in the world. A great way to capture the details of the cathedral is to take close-up shots of the stained glass windows. The Pantheon is a former church that was built in the 18th century and is now a mausoleum for some of France's most famous citizens. Its iconic dome is a great subject for close-up shots. The dome is made up of 8 stone panels and is a great way to capture the details of the structure. The Basilica of the Sacred Heart is a Roman Catholic church located in Montmartre. It was built in the 19th century and is home to some of the most beautiful stained glass windows in the world. Close-up shots of the stained glass windows are a great way to capture the details of the structure. The Palais Garnier is an opera house located in the 9th arrondissement. It was built in the 19th century and is home to some of the most beautiful works of art in the world. Close-up shots of the murals and sculptures are a great way to capture the details of the structure. The Champs-Élysées is a boulevard located in the 8th arrondissement. It is one of the most famous streets in the world and is home to some of the most iconic monuments in Paris. A great way to capture the details of the monuments is to take close-up shots of the intricate carvings and sculptures. The Catacombs of Paris is a network of underground tunnels and chambers that were used as a burial site. Close-up shots of the tombs and crypts are a great way to capture the details of the structure.